What's going on, guys? Everything but that. It's Marco coming back at you. I gotta talk a little bit quiet because Sydney's still sleeping in the other room. 5:48. I was up 30. Honestly, I could have kept sleeping right, and I went golfing last night, and it was really nice weather, and I'm a little bit tired, but that's okay. Yeah, I didn't film making my lunch because I didn't think that was really necessary. Can't even really see her, she's so tiny. Cindy's still sleeping, but yeah, I'll probably pick this up when I get to work. I was trying to get this GoPro app working on my phone, but I gotta mess with it still, so I'll catch you guys, I guess, when I'm pulling into work or halfway there or something, I don't know. And then hopefully I can record if I got something going on today at work. I'll show you what I'm doing, and maybe it'd be pretty sweet. Fingers crossed if there's a service call I can take you guys on, that'd be pretty sweet as well. So yeah, we'll keep you guys updated, and we'll see you in a little while. Peace. You can see me, but what's going on? 6:10 in the morning. Super dark. The sun doesn't usually start rising. Oh boy, probably till close to 7 or 7, maybe quarter after 7 maybe. So yeah, now we just start the nice little trek to work. And just for anyone, if anyone was paying attention in the last day in their life, I know we posted it a while ago. It was a nice Corvette right there. I know. Well, one, I don't have the Dodge pickup anymore. I have a Jeep now, 2021 Jeep. It's actually really nice. Honestly, I don't really miss my pickup truck that much. It's kind of a gas guzzler, and I never really use it for pickup things. So anyway, that's besides the point. I will mount this thing on my head once I get the app working. I'm afraid that if I put it on my head, there's not gonna, like, the angle is not gonna be correct, and I don't want to film a whole bunch of content and have the angle be all fucked up. So, you know, whatever is what it is. Anyway, so yeah, I in the last one I was working on a little farm slash, I wouldn't even call it a ranch. I guess I would call it a farm. I was working over there, trucks and trailers, but now I'm working in Kitchener, Ontario. I don't know if anyone is. What the hell is that? A piece of steel? Looks like a good piece of steel. Anybody that watches these videos is even from this area or whatever. But yeah, Kitchener, Ontario. I don't know if, honestly, I don't really think they would care, because it's. I basically work for a concrete company, and we service, or I service the whole fleet of. Well, service and maintain the whole fleet of. I think he said there's like 26 or 27 trucks, I think. So yeah, we're doing that, and like I said in the clip before, hopefully there's something interesting that goes on, like service call wise. But yeah, hopefully there's a service call I can bring you guys on, and yeah, kind of show you what all I do when the service call, load my tools up, and yeah. All right, here we are. About to roll up to the yard here in a minute. You can see 6:38 a.m. Yeah, so we'll see what's all going on for today. Really know what's on the schedule. Maybe a service. There's my Papa Smurf there. He's been in every vehicle that I've had since my first Volkswagen, so I figure I might as well just keep him around for the other vehicles I have. So here we are. Here is the yard. Yeah, like I said, pretty big yard. There's always something going on here, whether it's this or that. There's all of our units there, and our loader upper. Yeah. that's Will. He's a super nice guy. Here, you probably can't see. I don't know if you can see a nice Ford there, Mercury and a Ford there. But yeah. We're here. Well, let's see if I can figure out how to park this thing one-handed here. I think I should be all right. All right, roll this window up. Shut this thing off. 6:40. You can see that my shift doesn't start till 7, but I like to get here early. Someone once told me, if you're 15 minutes early, you're on time. If you're on time, you're late, and if you're late, you might as well pack your things and head her home. because it just doesn't look good on you, at least for me anyway. I want to have a good reputation no matter where I am. So I have a couple sets of glasses here. That's why I like replacing them, because I got these new ones and I don't want to ruin them, because glasses are super expensive. So yeah, let's go for a little walk, shall we? Here we are. There's the shop. We got 7 bays. We use 4 of them for repairs, and then the other 3 are they park there, so the other guys park. So yeah, I'll hit you guys when I got something going on. It's just perfect. I don't know if this is a good angle right now. I didn't strap you guys up to my head or anything, but I'm going on a service call. He claims that his outriggers, or his outrigger, it's not going up. So I think I'm just gonna go there, swap the hoses. I'm gonna put the down on the up and the up on the down, so I can just bypass it and get his get the thing up, because I think he's finished pouring. I think he should be anyway, and then we'll get something sorted out. I hope anyway. I hope this is gonna fix the problem. It's also kind of raining too, so I really hope that it doesn't pour rain on me. But I mean, I guess if it does, it is what it is. It doesn't. It's not that big of a deal, I guess. But en route, we're just leaving the shop, and yeah, it's a 40-minute drive. So I'll hit you guys up, or I'll start recording again when I get there. Okay, guys, what's going on here? 20 minutes, 18 minutes away. I just wanted to address some comments, like nothing bad or anything. There's just some people were asking, I've seen maybe like 4, or maybe about a handful of comments asking what kind of camera we're using. So this is just your standard GoPro. I want to say it's a Hero 3, but I don't know. Oh, check this out. This Western Star driving by here. This is one of my trucks here. There it goes. Yeah, so this is a GoPro. I think it's a Hero 3, but I have to double check with Ryan. I can't remember. Let me turn this around a little bit here. But yeah, this is, like I said, this is a GoPro Hero 3. I'm gonna shut the radio off so I don't get copyrighted. Yeah, so I don't know if whoever's gonna see this video, I'm not sure if anybody is familiar with this area, but it's a pretty familiar area. If you hear a bunch of crashing and banging, this is the back of this van here. I don't know if you can see all that well in there, but this is kind of the setup that I got going on. A bunch of random shit and crap and whatever. But here's my little. This is just one of my little carry cart things, little hand devices that I bring with me. Because a job like or a service call like this, he says that his outrigger's not going up, so that could be like that could damn near be almost anything. Like, so I just grabbed an assortment of wrenches and some side cutters in case I have to cut some zip ties. So yeah, I'm gonna go there, and I don't think there's a blown line, because he didn't say that. I mean, there could be. If there is a blown line, I'm not too sure how much I'm going to be able, what I'm going to be able to do, honestly. If it's not a blown line, like I said, I'm going to take, because I think he said he can't get the outrigger to go up. So I'm going to take the up and put it on the down, and then put the down on the up, just so he has that function. So at least he'll be able, so I think he's finished at this job, because that was Kevin that just drove by. And I'm pretty sure if he left, he'll be done. So hopefully Will is out of, he's empty, and should be able just to suck that thing outrigger back up, and then bring him back, and then sort of when we get to the shop. There was another comment actually that I seen. I kind of laughed a little bit. One comment said, "Oh, like you're a truck mechanic, but you live in an apartment." Like, yes, that's true. I do live in an apartment. It's just my girlfriend and I. You know, it is what it is right now. I would like to buy a house at some point, for sure. It's just right now, living where we live, the housing market is kind of nuts right now. So hopefully, if that kind of calms down and, you know, comes off this crazy high that it's at right now, and maybe in a little bit we might be able to get something figured out. But for now, I'm content with what I got. I'm happy, no complaints. I got a roof over my head, food on the table. It is what it is. Anyway, I'll hit you guys up. I'm 13 minutes away. I'll hit you up once I get there, and we'll go from there. Hey guys, well, that was an interesting service call. I drove all the way out here, and the problem fixed itself. So it's kind of frustrating that I wasn't able to mess around with it, but we're gonna get him back to the shop and see if we can see what's going on. That's a nice truck. That's a nice first gen over there. So, but yeah, that's that. We literally, so I drove all the way out here, and I get there, he's like, oh yeah, it went up by itself, no problem. And we just tried it there 3 or 4 times, because I was gonna grab the camera to show you guys, but everything worked fine. So unfortunately, that was, I wouldn't say a waste of a drive. I mean, for me anyway. I mean, kind of a pain in the ass, but you know, it is what it is. That's just the way it goes. Sometimes a problem fixed itself, sometimes it doesn't. Yeah. Alrighty. Well, sorry about that, guys. I was really hoping to have a little more action on that service call. Like I said, the problem fixed itself. I drove all the way out here, and the problem fixed itself. So hopefully, well, I mean, I guess hopefully there'll be another one that I can take you all on, and we can actually film some stuff, because that's crazy. Yeah, if you guys, once again, I know like we're gonna try to do a better job at putting out videos. We were kind of dropping the ball a little bit there. Yeah, we were kind of dropping the ball a little bit there for a while. We kind of, yeah, we'll try to start cranking out some more videos if we can. Seems the last day in the life video did decently well, better than we had thought it was gonna. Got over 140,000 views, which is good for us, because we only have 3,000 subscribers. But yeah, if you want to, like I said, like we'll try better. You guys want to ask questions in the comments, I'll try to answer some, or maybe we can do, you know, like answering some comments that you know, those other YouTubers do and shit. God, this is a hairy corner here. But yeah, like I said, I know I keep saying like I said, but I'm gonna say it again. We'll try to keep cranking out some videos for you guys. If you guys have any questions, Jesus, ask away. We'll try our best to answer them. If you have any video recommendations or other stuff you guys want to see, maybe it's I don't know. Literally could be anything. Oh, this goddamn wind. So yeah, if you guys want to do that, that'd be great. And yeah, you know, tell your friends about us, subscribe, and if they have questions or comments or concerns, well, concerns I don't really give a shit about, because, you know, that's what it is, but anything else, have at her. So yeah, hopefully we get another service call today. If we don't, I guess we might have to cap the video here. Oh, I better slow down. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.